Telegram running through your own private proxy, on a server only you control, with traffic disguised as regular HTTPS, making it hard to detect and hard to block. Setup takes just a few minutes. If you'd rather skip the setup entirely, Hosky offers a VPS with an MTProto proxy pre-installed, ready in minutes, no terminal required. In this video, we'll set it up manually with MTG, so you also get fake TLS and full control over how it's disguised. Link in the description. But if you want to set it up yourself and understand exactly how it works, let's go. Here's why this matters. In many networks and countries, Telegram gets blocked. The common workaround is a public MT-Proto proxy. But public proxies are shared by thousands of people, they're slow, they get blocked quickly, and you have no idea who runs them or what they're logging. The better option, run your own MT-Proto proxy. Only you and the people you share it with can use it. It's fast. And more importantly, with fake TLS enabled, its traffic looks exactly like a regular HTTPS connection. That makes it extremely difficult for censorship systems to detect. MT-Proto proxy is a proxy built specifically for Telegram. It bypasses blocks and encrypts the connection. We'll set it up using MTG, a lightweight open-source implementation that runs in a single Docker container and supports fake TLS out of the box. Fake TLS is the key piece here. It disguises Telegram traffic as normal HTTPS, so to anyone monitoring your network, it just looks like you're browsing a website. All you need is an inexpensive VPS. The requirements are minimal: 512 megabytes of RAM and a few gigabytes of disk. Ubuntu or Debian will work fine as the OS. The most important choice is locations. Pick a region that isn't blocked from your users' networks and has low enough latency. You'll need the server IP and root SSH access, which your provider sends by email after the order. Let's start the setup. First, connect to the server via SSH using the IP and root credentials from that email. Run the command you see on screen now. When asked if you want to continue connecting, type yes, then enter the password. You're now connected. Next, install Docker. It installs with a single command. If Docker is already on the server, skip this step. Now generate the proxy secret. This is where fake TLS comes in. You tell MTG which real website to disguise the traffic as. Choose a believable HTTPS site. Avoid obvious giants that clearly don't match your server. We'll use cloudflare.com. The command generates a secret with fake TLS already built in. Copy it. You'll need it in a moment. Now create a small 2-line config file with the secret and the address the proxy will listen on inside the container. Launch the container. We'll use port 443, the standard HTTPS port, which makes the traffic blend in even better. The proxy is running. To connect, you need a link built from 3 elements: the server IP, the port, 443 in our case, and the secret. You can also get this link automatically with the command you'll see on screen. Copy the link, open it in Telegram or a browser, and you'll be prompted to connect to the proxy. Tap Connect Proxy. You can also go to Settings arrow Advanced arrow Connection, type arrow Add Proxy, select MT-Proxy, and fill in the host name, port, and secret manually. Save and you're connected. Sharing is just as simple. Send the same link to anyone you trust. One tap adds the proxy on their device, phone or PC. No additional setup needed on their end. That's it. Your own private Telegram proxy, disguised as regular HTTPS traffic, fully under your control. Try it today. Links to deploy your own server, with or without the proxy pre-installed, are in the description.